Welcome back to the fourth ever, at least by us, burping contest between two girls. We've really found a way to find our own equality in this world, and it turns out we're just as gassy as men. I am the regular contender, Christina Walkinshaw, aka if you're on OnlyFans, I'm onlyfans.com/burpsmagoo. I hope you subscribe already. And with me, as always, my lovely judge, comedian Jen Murphy. Jen, say hello.
Hello.
And then a very special competitor tonight. One of my longtime best friends. We've had nicknames like Tits and Toots McGee for years. And it's perfect that I went with the name Burps Magoo for OnlyFans. Because you're Tits McGee. You guys, let's give a big hand for Kathleen McGee, all the way from Edmonton, Canada.
Here I am. I'm here to burp.
And then even if your computer freezes, well, you're in Edmonton, so I feel like...
Well, it's snowing, it's cold. Yeah, it is.
It's very symbolic of where you're at.
Yeah.
Kathleen, say hello to the burp lovers at home.
Hello, burp lovers. I'm very excited to perform for you. If that's what this is called, performing.
Well, sure, yeah.
I'm gonna be your judge tonight, so I'm gonna let you know, Kathleen. Sorry, Christina already knows.
Sorry. Practice.
This is what I will be judging you on.
Oh my God.
Length, resonance, volume, and originality/creativity.
So how I judge penises.
What do you need to do right now to get ready for round one? Are you?
It's bikini week here on the burping contest.
I'm up so bad. Because I have an OnlyFans, but I don't burp. I show my boobs.
I mean, and what's funny is I'm on OnlyFans and I don't show my boobs. I only burp. So This YouTube scene is getting
10 points for Kathleen up front.
I gotta jiggle it a bit.
Kathleen already gets creativity points because it was her idea to do bikini round.
It was her idea to do this.
I'm already having fun. I gotta tell you, I haven't had my bathing suit on at all in 2020 because of COVID, and it's good to know it fits. That's it.
Right? It's nice to know your bikini fits in the winter.
I just love that you guys planned this, and I planned Minnie Mouse ears. I had no idea that you guys were going to be in this.
Something for everyone.
Okay, Kathleen, do you have your beverage ready that you need? Oh, also, yeah. I may have forgotten to tell you, when I say, go, it's your turn, take whatever time you need to drink or do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
Okay, so you're up first, since you're a specialist from Edmonton. So, Kathleen, round one.
I'm not as good as Christina, but we're going to try our best.
She got Dr. Pepper. That's a good one.
Oh, that was terrible. Oh. I'm so sporadic.
No, I'm going to give you an 8 on that one. That was above average.
Thank you.
And also a really good comeback.
Thank you. It started weak.
You were done after that first little one. You're like, oh, that sucks. I was like, oh, no. You surprised me.
Thank you.
I was about to reach for this too. And then I was like, oh, she's still going.
8. She's still going.
Okay. That's an 8 for Kathleen. Christina, round one.
I'm going to start off with a traditional burp that some of my fans like. I'm going to do a burp that's not from a beverage, even though I have lots of beverages here.
Oh my God.
I'm going to do the swallow. Oh, good one. I'm going to do the swallowing of air burp. So I'm going to swallow some air. And
how do you do that, though? She's so good.
No, that wasn't even that good, actually. Well, say, all right, maybe that one was better.
I'm going to give you a 10 because, to tell you the truth, I can't even hear your burps because I'm staring at your boobs so much.
gonna turn this.
Yeah. Guys, it's true.
My face is gonna match my ears pretty soon.
It's really cute. I think your ears are like the same size as my boobs.
Oh, so many people are gonna awkwardly, weirdly jerk off to this episode.
I
always feel like my aftershocks are better than my actual round pleasers.
I know. We've talked about your contest issues.
I know. I do. Sometimes I do. Yeah, I do. Under pressure, I crack. I can't.
Okay, round 2.
Okay.
Round 2.
Oh, McGee.
Let's just do it again. Okay.
Yeah. Round 2, yeah, same thing. Well, I mean, you can get creative. You can do something else.
I don't know if you just burped or if there's a Lego stuck in your throat.
Oh, God, you don't want to know what's in that throat. Oh, my God.
Are we going to have, like, burp roast battle? Where we just...
I didn't realize I was such a sporadic burper. Like, I've never been a good belcher. I've always wanted to be a belcher, but...
You know, and it's hard under pressure. I get it. It's like, you know, I
just don't know how you swallow air.
Well, I swallow other things too.
Well, I know that. I know how to swallow other things, but air is not something. There, I did a little
Kathleen, I'll be honest. It's easier than some of the other things I swallow.
Not that I was judging. I was just sitting here watching.
That's how good we are.
The air doesn't make my eyes water.
I'm going to give you a 4.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, no.
I believe you can do better. I believe in you.
Thank you. I mean, I can. I know I can.
And I want to give you incentive to really...
Oh, look at keep trying.
Learn how to swallow.
I'm going to try swallowing some air.
Okay. Kathleen McGee had now I'm going to have this. I'm going to have an India Pale hard seltzer. I've never had this before. We don't know what it's going to do to my body. I like IPAs. This is like an IPA hard seltzer. We'll see what happens. It smells like beer. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Wish I had that throat throb that Laura had. Laura Danowski was on here. She was like,
yeah, she was throbbing.
That was a Kathleen level burp.
That was terrible, eh? I almost stood up. I was almost like, it's better if you swallow it over.
I'm going to
get I'm out here. That's it. I suck. I'm out.
But I did really appreciate your cartoon eyeballs when you did the burp. You're like...
Christina, I love how perfectly your bedroom is able to be filmed.
This is New York. This is my whole apartment, Kathleen.
I know.
Okay, round 3.
Just another burp?
Oh, shoot. Sorry, I screwed up the scorecard.
We're very organized here.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to try swallowing air.
Yeah, do it.
I got to get in my regular swallowing position.
When do I do give her?
Okay. Just breathe?
Suck it in. Suck it in.
I don't like it. Get it all to come out at once. Wait.
Christina's getting points taken away because she's texting during our burping contest.
Oh, I can't do it.
It's business. It's OnlyFans. You can't leave the...
I'm giving you lucky 7s.
Thank you. I like that.
I thought it was great.
I like your commitment. And
I'm getting there.
I could see how hard you were trying.
All right. Are we ready for mine?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That one had bubbles in it, I'll be honest. That one was going through the car wash. Do you know what I mean? Like, that one had some foam on it.
That was a solid one.
All right.
I'm gonna give you an 8 for that one. It was solid. It was above average.
I love when you have like a big burp that has a little burp that also comes out.
Yeah, you're right. You do have a little bonus burp at the end. It's like,
yeah.
Okay, round 4. Do you have some food prepared?
Well, she said what gives you gas, and I thought she.
When Christina comes back, she's not just wearing her bikini top. She's wearing the bottoms also.
Is she?
Look, I saw you when you got.
Oh, I'm wearing jeans. I'm not wearing my bottoms.
That's what I figured. Is you guys were just wearing the top.
Anyways, I mean,
I'm a news anchor. I've got the business up here, and I'm comfy on the bottom.
I mean, at the end of the day, the bikini bottoms are probably cleaner than half the underwear in this apartment. So.
Well, when you said like food, I thought you meant like you said food that gives you gas, and I always get like popcorn farts, but I didn't.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, whatever. Usually, I've been having pepperoni sticks on every thing, but I have this leftover pizza. That's why pizza tonight.
I forgot to mention that a lot of people are asking for farts. So if you want to go that route,
I don't know if I can fart on command.
Well, I mean, just saying, if that popcorn kicks in while we're still on this.
Have you guys farted on here yet?
Yeah, well, Karma got one in last week. But that's the game.
She did it.
Yeah, that's the game. Even if you lose the burping, if you can fart in like the final minute of the show, then you automatically win.
How do you guys not have 10 million subscribers?
No, it's building.
This is amazing.
For the record, more people are watching this than are probably watching my comedy. Second of all, the burp lovers are actually nicer commenters on YouTube than the comedy lovers. So
yeah, comedy commenters are always the worst.
But the burp people, they're great. They're like, these are great burps. And they will look you up on OnlyFans. People asked me for Karma's OnlyFans last week.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
I'm so
Mine's Kathleen _McGee. This is fun.
Okay. How you doing, Kathleen? You feel like you're ready?
Uh-huh. I don't know.
I can just wait for you guys to keep eating.
I don't know if food makes me burp as much as I'm going to try. But
take your time.
Yeah. I'll just
rush.
Wait for it to come to me.
Yeah.
Am I allowed to drink something too, or do I have only food?
Oh, yeah. No, girl. Whatever you want in your body is all. Go for it. Yeah, it's got the whole liter.
I need a napkin.
Are we going to be sponsored by Dr. Pepper soon?
I hope so. Okay, here.
I've seen your posts. Whoa.
That was out. I keep pushing them out.
That was a good one.
I was trying to push air in with the bottle.
I think that could be a good tactic, actually.
Yeah. I'm going to give you a 9.
Thank you.
DDP, baby. DDP on Tits McGee. I love it. I do love DDP.
It's been so hard to find Diet Dr. Pepper anywhere. I found it at a store, and I bought like 8 flats of it.
Diet Dr. Pepper's good. Because usually I get diet drinks. Like Diet Coke to me is gross, but the Dr. Pepper's good.
But Diet Pop makes me burp way more than regular pop.
I just want you to know that you can take this screenshot to any restaurant in Edmonton and they'll give you your free nachos.
For real?
Yeah.
Hey, wait. Hold that up, please. Because I'm going to...
That you won free nachos.
I can't wait to take it to my favorite restaurant and they'll be like, what? I'll take it to O2's. I'll take it to O2's. Shout out to
it's really good. The LaCroix.
Yeah.
Limoncello.
Woo!
It's so delicious. Okay, are we ready for my burp? You know I've been eating a grandma slice A pepperoni sauce. I roamed to Brooklyn in Williamsburg. It's delicious.
Oh my God. That was a 20.
I felt the thunder in my chest.
I felt the thunder in Edmonton. That just crossed a border that's closed.
I'm sorry I stepped on your burp with my burp.
It's okay. That border cost us citizen alert.
I'm going to give you one more because I burped right when you were going, and then I think I made you laugh.
It was still good.
I still think the other one was better, the first one. But
you know what?
Why do I like looking like a psycho when I burp like that?
Mine also, Christina, because I want you to get free nachos too.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Now I can't stop.
This is my favorite Zoom thing that I've done in the pandemic.
Comedy's dead. Burping is dead, Kathleen.
Burping and boobs.
Okay.
Burping and boobs.
Your last round is to see how many you can do in 15 seconds. But I feel like,
oh my God.
I feel like you should take your time right now, and maybe we should plug your Venmo or OnlyFans or something. What do you want to do?
Yeah, only
Venmos for sure, right?
I don't think
I don't have a Venmo because we don't have that in Canada.
Okay, then let's just do your OnlyFans.
Or your OnlyFans or your PayPal. Do you have PayPal?
I do have PayPal. What is my PayPal?
Donations.
Where? My OnlyFans is Kathleen_McGee. It's $50 a month. It's a little high, but you do see this. And I have 22 fans that are enjoying themselves. What is my PayPal?
That's great.
I wish I knew it.
Just do email?
Yeah, my email, you can e-transfer me at mcgeekster@hotmail.com.
We can put it in the comments on YouTube.
Yeah, we can put them in the comments.
Okay, cool.
We'll put our OnlyFans in the, Jen, can we put you could edit this part out, now it's so boring, but can we put the Venmo stuff in the actual description for the video? Sorry, not the Venmo, or you could do Venmo too, but do the OnlyFans.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, because we want to start getting donations. We haven't done that yet. You're blowing your load. Okay.
Okay.
So, final round.
When does the 15 seconds start?
Well, when you give me, when you give me a thumbs up, I'm going to start the clock.
Okay.
So you take your time. Take your time.
I'm going to try and
I'll just wait for your thumbs up.
Okay, I'm going to try and pump some air in first. Okay.
She has Can you hear her? She's frozen.
No. What a hilarious time for you to freeze, Kathleen. It's just you muted going,
I froze.
Yeah, we got to start again. You froze, but we could still see you moving, but we couldn't hear you.
Okay.
Hear your burps, we could just see your mouth open
I got at least 4. We'll start again. We'll try this again.
I think the frozen video might be the funniest thing we've ever come up with.
I think it was fun. I'm going to try again for the sounds though, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. If I puke on my computer. This is the most ridiculous.
Okay, you're good.
Oh my God. I want to do this again sometime. I'm having so much fun.
Oh my God, we are having a hoot doing these.
This is so much fun.
It kind of feels like an adult slumber party. That's it.
Give you a 10.
Yeah! Yay!
Like that.
You never stop.
Look at them DDPs shaking around.
Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh, this is fun. I don't even know how many that was. Did you like count?
No, I didn't, but I think it was at least like 7 or 8.
Okay, good. Good. I'm proud of myself.
Eyeballing it.
Christina, you just give me the thumbs up when you're ready.
Okay, let me get into character.
Yeah.
Okay, and
If you take off your bra, you get an extra 75 points. I'm just kidding. Fans on YouTube.
Do we get kicked off YouTube for being nude? I don't even know.
You can put little Minnie Mouses on our titties. I don't know if you can edit that way, but
I'm not that tech savvy.
Ears on each one. Okay, I think I'm ready, guys. I feel it. Okay, and action.
Okay. So, time's up. Yeah, okay, finale. Christina?
Have you ever shit yourself trying to burp?
What?
Have you ever shit?
All my burps, Kathleen.
I don't have anything above a 10, but I'm gonna give you a 10 plus a kinky 3 because that was really amazing. You got a solid 13 there.
That's always my round. The how many burps can you do? Like I can just like really deliver really fast, you know?
It was very impressive.
I'm gonna add up for shit.
Now but don't forget, as Jen tallies the scores, if you have a fart now, if there's a fart available in your body, you can sweep the game right now and you can steal the show and you can win.
Let me just pump some air up my butt.
That bike tire pump that I use.
I don't have one brewing. I should have been eating popcorn all day.
I mean, you guys, like Kathleen has witnessed so many of my farts in my life, but I can't for the life of me do them under pressure.
Didn't you sit on me and fart once?
Hey, Christina, do that move. Christina, do the move that you did in Afghanistan.
But we're like, I was thinking about getting Laura to send me that video. I do have a move where I can make myself fart. That actually
right now.
Taught me how to do. No, but here's the thing: the key with that move is I have to be bloated in order to do it. Do you ever get a painful bloated feeling in your stomach?
Yeah.
And if you do it, it's going to relieve the bloat, and you're for surely going to fart. But I can only do it when I have the bloat. I don't know. Talk to me in about 8 to 9 days, and I'll probably have that bloat.
Okay, I have the results. This was a really close one. But I think Kathleen won because of her bonus points for suggesting that we see boobs, which I know we're all very grateful for that. So
she went with boobs and not cats. So.
At a close 43 to 48, Kathleen is our winner this week.
I won! I was ready to just say it was an honor to be nominated, honestly.
I'm going to tell you, you're the first one to beat Christina.
What?
You are the first one to beat Christina.
Oh my God. This is like huge bragging rights, you guys.
I know. This is really impressive. And, well, I think Karma technically, she won last week because she had the fart. But you're definitely the first person to win legit from burping.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm really proud of myself right now. This is like the best thing that's happened to me all pandemic.
Oh no.
So, yeah. Don't say you never make any lists in comedy, Kathleen.
I never win awards either, and I feel like I just won an award tonight.
All right, everybody. So don't forget to follow everybody on social media. We love you enjoying our burping contest. We're going to make more. Don't worry. Give it up for Jen Murphy, hosting, judging, doing all the work. really being very honest and diplomatic. You know, you can't say anything was rigged or there was any lost ballots in the show. It's very like honest show. Give it up for Diet Dr. Pepper and Kathleen McGee. Kathleen McGee, I'm so proud of you.
I'm very proud too.
Follow her on